I'm pretty sure this is the largest tropical orbweaver I've ever seen. Most likely a female. They can have a leg span from 3 to 5 inches. They look like the size of a golf ball. Their orb-shaped webs can span 2 to 6 feet across. And you can see this one is trying to rebuild its web during a windstorm. We're right by the side of a pond. The wind is blowing about 15 miles an hour. And I didn't stay for very long. As I was worried about the gators, I was right by the shore.